Sempre chamou na função, grave no talo, já vou pro peão. Hoje já me trouxe o beat, ele é mente pesado, tocando no som. Já liguei pro Rafão.
What's going on, guys? Sick here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for responding to the last video. But yeah, guys, this is the giveaway winner. Whoa, guys. Yeah, I better say hello.
Hello, we are back once again, and today we are announcing the giveaway winners in Murder Mystery 2, so yeah.
Brother, show them the drip. Do it right now.
Okay, Jake, so here's a really fucking cool drip.
Whoa. Hello, guys. Anyways, guys, before we continue, we have a special guest. Let's say hello.
Hello, everybody. Audio time. Oh.
Yeah, guys. But anyways, guys, we should not delay this video for way too much, guys, because we have so many radical knives to give away, and I know you have been really hyped up because we let this last for 1 month. So yeah, guys, we're really excited. Brother, are you excited?
Yeah, Jake, I am pretty fucking excited to give away my knives at long last.
And Mario, are you still sad that you're leaving?
Why are you so sad, Jake?
Yeah, guys. Well, anyways, guys, unfortunately, the fucking wheel app is broken, isn't it, brother? Isn't the wheel app broken?
Oh yeah, Jake, the wheel broke last night, and we're not really sure what happened, so we'll be using a YouTube comment selector, so yeah.
Also, guys, in the last giveaway, you said that was fake, and like, YouTube filtered comments. So yeah, guys, shut the fuck up. But anyways, guys, see you there at the comment selector. Wario, say see you there.
See you there.
Alright, so now that we're at the website, are you so excited, brother?
Yeah, I'm really excited, Jake. Let's see who this winner is.
Yeah, and Wario, who do you think's gonna win?
Oh, everybody.
Yeah, guys, well, let's go. And guys, the winner is Rick! Yeah, guys, the winner is Rick, guys. Wario, are you so happy?
Why are you so happy, Jake?
So yeah, guys, what's it? My Skype account was actually hacked a while ago, but I got it right back, so I'm so excited to use it again, and I'll actually be commenting on Rick's profile. Yeah, guys, you have to do that in Skype now, and get in contact with Rick. I'm so happy for this person, and yeah, I'll see you there in the game.
See you there.
Alright, guys, so I got in contact with Rick, and he's coming online right now. But before we do that, I just want to show you the proof. So go to Wario, go to weapons. If you kill Knives and Guns Season 1 here, on Classic, whoa! Chroma Fang, Chroma Saw, Chroma Slasher, and Slasher, guys, whoa! And we're going to Holiday, whoa, Hollow Gun. But yeah, guys, Wario, we're gonna give all these things to Rick. So yeah, guys, see you later. See ya. Alright, guys, so now that we got Rick in the game, guys, whoa, guys, I'm just gonna, where's the fucking chat box? Hello. Let's see what he responds with. Well, he said hi. Okay. I was gonna say, Wario gave all of the knives. Wario, did you give all the knives?
Wario gave all the knives and he gonna wear them.
Well, guys. Guys, so basically, yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. This is the last giveaway, but before we end the video, I actually want to show you that we got the knives. Go to weapons. Whoa! 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 Look at that. Well, guys. So,
It's pretty fucking cool.
yeah, guys. Rick was the last winner of the entire Murder Mystery giveaways. And yeah, guys. Actually, I'm gonna give my house away as well. Here's my mortgage. Here's my money. Wario, how about you give all the money?
Ah, yes, Jake, I give him all my mortgage.
Yeah, guys. Brother, how about you give all your money? Because you are rich because you're a doctor.
Well, actually, I would like to save up all my money.
No! Give all the money to Rick! Alright, guys, so now that we're all here, yeah, guys, we're gonna do the outro now. What's it? Say goodbye, Wario.
Goodbye, everybody. I love Flamer Michi too.
And say goodbye, brother.
Goodbye, everyone. We'll see you soon.
And yeah, guys, that's it for the video. And watch more of our videos!
Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.